There are three unique fruits found in the world which you would not have seen before. First of all, look at this creamy fruit which looks like an egg, but inside it there is a creamy pulp which is creamy and sweet and sour to eat. It is called Cupuacu fruit. This fruit is found in Brazil as well as India. Now look at this fruit. This strange red-colored fruit is called Kadsura. Its taste is sweet and slightly sour. It is found in China, Myanmar and Vietnam. Now look at this beautiful small red-colored fruit which is called Mica esculenta. Its taste is spicy, juicy and sweet and sour. After eating it, you will not be able to forget its taste.